Cat-Eye Glass Manufacturing Inc. is one of the largest technical flat glass fabricators, specializing in the supply of precision machined glass products. We've invested in custom-designed glass fabrication equipment to provide unmatched quality, short lead times, and competitive pricing. Our continued growth is driven by our business philosophy, state-of-the-art equipment, extensive glass inventory, and employees dedicated to meeting or exceeding customer requirements. Our engineers provide our customers with cost-saving suggestions during the product lifecycle. At Cat-Eye Glass, we are capable of creating small prototype runs with a quick turnaround. Our experienced engineers design and build fabrication machines to meet customer needs. Fabrication capabilities include assembly, chemical strengthening, clean room processing, CNC machining, cutting, drilling, edging, heat tempering, inspection metrology, lamination, laser marking, sandblasting, screen printing, and water jet. Materials include float glasses, high ion exchange, coated and etched, pattern, color art glass, filters, quartz, glass ceramic, tubing, and rod. We serve the displays, lighting, sight glass, commercial, military, and instrumentation markets. Contact us today for a competitive and timely quote.